So guys, I welcome you back to my channel. Ameboupdate. My name na Pidgin Parrot, and today I carry quick updates come, very quick one. Make we enter Nollywood, make we see as they happen. Based on saying that maybe Pidgin Parrot, now waiting I see I go talk. I know say most of na go don the wonder say this video like this waiting they happen. So as on they see na Zubby Michael dey for location they shoot. Well, from the look of things, you go fit conclude say them they work on new projects. Zubby Michael, Aki and Pawpaw. It dey obvious say Zubby Michael don dey the location before Aki and Pawpaw show. Waiting follow me this video the trend na how Zubby Michael take the humble and how in they respect in senior colleagues within the industry before him. That one aside, we don't already know say something fishy is going down, and as it dey hot, very soon either this year or whenever they are done, we go expect new movie from Zubby Michael, Aki and Pawpaw. And any movie where these three people go dey, more you know go be small thing. You know go be small thing, you know. Anyway, don't forget to like and share this video. Also subscribe to my channel so that when new video like this drop, you could get the update ASAP as it dey hot. Enjoy the rest of the video. Thank you.